Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video we are asked to solve for x from this equation 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 1. So stay tuned and let's learn together. Now we're given 4 exponent x plus 4 exponent x plus 2 exponent x is equal to 1. Now from here 4 exponent x and 4 exponent x are the same. So I'm going to factorize out 4 exponent x. So I'm going to have 4 exponent x out. Here I'm going to be left with 1 plus here I'm going to be left with 1 plus 2 to the power x is equal to 1. Now from here I'm going to have 4 to the power x multiplying 1 plus 1 gives 2 plus 2 to the power x is equal to 1. Now from here you can rewrite this as 2 multiplying 4 to the power x plus 2x is equal to 1. Now from here we are going to have 2 multiplying, here you can write 4 as 2 to the power 2 all exponent x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 1. Now from here we are going to use the interchange rule. For instance, when we have a to the power m all exponent n, this is equal to a to the power n all exponent n. So we can interchange the exponents. Now we are going to do same over here. So we are going to have 2 multiplying 2 to the power x all to the power 2 plus 2 to the power x is equal to 1. Now from here we have 2 exponent x in common. So we are going to let y to be equal to 2 to the power x. And so from here we are going to have 2 times y squared plus here we have 2 to the power x. So we are going to have y over there is equal to 1. Now from here, let's push this to the left hand side. So you're going to have 2y squared plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now when we compare this with the general quadratic equation, we are going to have a to be equal to 2, b to be equal to 1, and then c to be equal to negative 1, which is the constant. Now we are going to find the values of y using the quadratic formula. And so the quadratic formula is given by y is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now from here we are going to have y to be equal to negative b, and then b is 1. So negative 1 plus or minus square root of b squared, and then b squared is 1. So 1 squared minus 4 into a is 2. So 2 multiplying, and then c is negative 1. All over 2 times a, and then a is 2. So from here we are going to have y to be equal to negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 squared. Now 4 times 2 is 8, and then remember they are all negatives, so we are going to have plus 8 all over 2 times 2 is 4. Now let's clean this side. Now from here we are going to have y to be equal to negative 1 plus or minus a square root of 9 all over 4. And so we are going to have y to be equal to negative 1 plus or minus 3 all over 4. Now you can have y to be equal to negative 1 plus 3 all over 4, or we can also have y to be equal to negative 1 minus 3 all over 4. And so from here we are going to have y to be equal to 2 over 4, which we are going to have y to be equal to half. And then from here we are going to have y to be equal to minus 4 over 4, and so y to be equal to negative 1. Now let's clean this side. But don't forget, we let y to be equal to 2 to the power x. And so when y is equal to half, so when y is equal to half, what are we getting for x? So we are going to have half to be equal to 2 to the power x. Now from here we can write this as 2 to the power negative 1 is equal to 2 to the power x. Now from here we have same basis, so we are going to equal the exponent, and so x will be equal to negative 1. So we have x to be equal to negative 1 as one of our answers. Now let's consider when y is equal to negative 1. So when y is equal to -1, we are going to have -1 to be equal to 2 to the power x. Now from here, to get x, we need to take log of both sides. We are going to have log of -1 is equal to log of 2 to the power x. Now from here, log of negative numbers are not defined, and so we are going to take this one out. So we are going to rule out this answer, and so our answer is s is equal to -1. Now let's check and see if it will satisfy the equation. But don't forget to like and subscribe for more video. Now we have s to be equal to -1, and we are given 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 1. And so from here we are going to have 4 to the power -1 plus 4 to the power -1 plus 2 to the power -1 is equal to 1. Now you can rewrite this as 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/2. This one is equal to 1. Now from here, let's find the LCM. And the LCM here is 4. So 4 into itself once, and then 1 times 1 is 1, plus 4 into itself 1, and then 1 times 1 is 1, plus 2 into 4 twice. So 2 times 1 is 2, and so this will be equal to 1. So you are going to have 1 plus 1 gives 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. So 4/4 is equal to 1, and then 4/4 is 1, and so 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, our answer s is equal to 1 is correct and can satisfy this equation. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and then comment as well. See you in the next video.